Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration section, and here you got the notification volume panel. Just to change the volume of your notifications, swipe with the finger to the left or to the right side, this dot. Also you got here the volume buttons. Just to tap here to one from these volume buttons and go to the settings section, and here by the same way you can swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side is dot, and by this way you can change your notification volume, and then just tap to done to confirm the changes. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.